Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Learn. Today is day 2 of our A to Z English series. Today we will learn how to build correct sentence easily. First of all, we want to know what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. That means some words make together. If it is a meaningful things, then it's called a sentence. Like I eat rice. It's a meaningful. It's make sense. I am eating something. What's it? Rice. If I say eat I rice, this doesn't make any sense. That's why it's must be a meaningful things. That is we called sentence. So what is the basic structure of sentence? Basic structure is first of all subject, then verb, then object. Example, as I say, I eat rice. I here subject, eat verb, and rice is obviously object. Next example, she reads a book. So here we add one letter S. Okay, so when we use S or S, when the subject is a third person singular number, like he, she, someone names like Raju, right? Like every name, those callers third person singular number. So when we use that, we add S or S. It's a another part we will add in our series, but later. Okay, another example is they play football. Okay, that's great. And now, what is subject? Explain subject. Subject tells us who or what does the action, any action. And here, what is the action? Eat is the action. So who did it? I myself eat. So I, subject tells who or what does the action, so it is subject. And verb shows the action, what the subject do. This is the action. Here eat, and then she reads, and they play. Those are action. And object receive the action. Okay, so what I eat? Rice. What she reads? A book. What they play? Football. So those are the object. Here are more examples, like he drinks water. Why drinks? I said earlier, it's a third person singular number. She writes a letter. We watch TV. Okay, what is the common mistakes? As earlier say, eats I rice. It's not a meaningful sentence, right? Doesn't make sense. So correct is I eat rice. She book reads. This is wrong. She reads a book. So practice time. I play cricket. Is it correct? Okay. She eat apple. Is it correct? They watch movie. Is it correct? So let's keep practicing. Okay. For today's lesson, now you know how to build simple English sentence. Let's to practice every day. Okay, guys. Bye for today. We will talk about next topics. Till then, goodbye. And yes, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe the channel.